Imagine a world where you have complete control over your money and personal data, a world free from the constraints of traditional institutions. No banks dictating terms, no tech giants harvesting your information, just you and the code that governs it all. A truly decentralized system. Blockchain developers are the masterminds building this world, brick by digital brick. They are crafting digital ecosystems based on the core principles of transparency, ensuring that every transaction and interaction is visible and verifiable. Security and decentralization, distributing power away from central authorities and into the hands of the users. They're not just programmers churning out lines of code. They're pioneers forging a new frontier, creating systems where people interact directly with each other, without the need for intermediaries or middlemen taking a cut. Their work is fundamentally about embedding trust into the very fabric of the code, making digital agreements reliable, verifiable, and tamper-proof, ensuring that contracts are executed as intended. These developers are constantly anticipating potential threats, defend networks from malicious attacks, and adapt to the ever-accelerating pace of technological change. They're laying the foundation for groundbreaking innovations like decentralized finance or DeFi, and secure, self-sovereign digital identity. Blockchain developers are not just coders, they're problem solvers and visionaries, driven by a shared mission to create fairer, more open and accessible systems for everyone. In short, they're the architects of the next iteration of the internet, often referred to as Web 3, fundamentally reshaping how we trust, transact, and connect with each other online. At its core, a blockchain is a revolutionary concept. It represents a shared, immutable, and transparent digital ledger. Think of it as a continuously growing record book, spread across a vast network of computers, rather than being held in one central location. This distribution is key to its security and resilience. Each block in the chain contains a set of transactions, and these blocks are cryptographically linked to the previous one, forming a secure and unbroken chain of data. This cryptographic linking makes tampering with the blockchain nearly impossible, as any alteration to a single block would require changing all subsequent blocks. This unique structure removes the need for a central authority, like a bank or government, to oversee and validate transactions. Instead, trust is built directly into the system itself through cryptographic verification and distributed consensus. Developers are the architects of this digital revolution, bringing this concept to life through code. They are responsible for building and maintaining these secure, distributed networks that underpin the entire blockchain ecosystem. They meticulously design the rules and protocols for validating transactions, ensuring that only legitimate transactions are added to the chain. Their work is crucial to ensure the chain grows safely, securely, and in a way that maintains its integrity. One of blockchain's most significant breakthroughs is solving the double spend problem, a challenge that plagued early digital currencies. This prevents digital assets, like cryptocurrencies, from being copied or spent more than once, ensuring their scarcity and value. To achieve this, developers implement sophisticated consensus mechanisms, algorithms that allow the network to agree on the validity of transactions. This allows the network to collectively agree on the ledger's current state without relying on traditional intermediaries like banks. Every single line of code written by these developers directly impacts the security, performance, and overall reliability of systems that have the potential to manage and secure billions, even trillions, in value. Building on blockchain technology means creating the very foundation for a new paradigm of digital trust, where transparency and security are paramount. It's a huge responsibility to be at the forefront of this technological shift, but it's also an even bigger opportunity to shape the future of finance, technology, and trust itself. Blockchain developers focus on two main areas: building the core network and creating smart contracts. Core developers design the blockchain's architecture, consensus mechanisms, and security. Think of them as the engineers of the digital engine. Smart contract developers write self-executing agreements that run on the blockchain, automating everything from payments to voting. They must balance security, decentralization, and scalability, the infamous blockchain trilemma. Developers also build wallets, block explorers, and tools that make blockchain accessible to everyone. Their work transforms complex technology into practical, everyday applications. Without these builders, blockchain would remain an abstract idea, not a usable reality. Blockchain developers need a specialized toolkit of programming languages and technical know-how. Solidity is essential for smart contracts on Ethereum. Rust powers next-gen blockchains like Solana and Polkadot. Go is key for projects like Ethereum's Geth. Web development skills, JavaScript, Node.js, and frameworks like React, are crucial for building user-friendly dApps. But languages are just the start. Developers need a strong grasp of computer science, cryptography, and distributed systems. Understanding data structures, algorithms, and networking is vital for building secure, scalable blockchains. This blend of coding skills and deep technical knowledge defines a great blockchain developer. It's about mastering both the tools and the concepts behind decentralized technology. Blockchain development comes alive in groundbreaking projects and organizations. The Ethereum Foundation supports core protocol research and tools, shaping the backbone of decentralized applications. Chainlink connects blockchains to real-world data, enabling smart contracts to interact with external events, like automating insurance payouts. Polkadot focuses on interoperability, letting different blockchains communicate and share value. Developers use frameworks like Substrate to build custom chains that plug into Polkadot's network. These projects tackle fundamental challenges: scalability, connectivity, and real-world integration. For developers, it's a chance to shape the future of finance, data, and the internet itself. Blockchain developers are in high demand, and their salaries reflect it. Entry-level roles often start in the six figures, outpacing traditional tech jobs. With experience and skills like Solidity or Rust, salaries can soar. Senior developers can earn $200,000 or more. Compensation often includes tokens or equity, giving developers a stake in the project's success. The work is challenging and the stakes are high, but the rewards, both intellectual and financial, are significant. For those willing to learn and adapt, blockchain offers unmatched career opportunities. Becoming a blockchain developer means more than just writing code. It means helping build the next iteration of the internet, a decentralized web where users have more control and ownership. It's about shaping a future where technology empowers individuals and fosters greater transparency. Start by learning the basics. Grasp the fundamental concepts that underpin blockchain technology. Delve into what blockchains are, exploring their structure and functionality, and understand why decentralization matters. Explore the benefits it brings to security, privacy, and data integrity. Pick a language like Solidity, the primary language for writing smart contracts on Ethereum. Then dive into hands-on projects. Start small and gradually increase the complexity as you gain confidence. Remember, even a simple smart contract like a basic token or a simple auction is a huge first step in solidifying your understanding. Engage with the community. Blockchain thrives on collaboration and shared knowledge. Join forums, contribute to open-source projects, and connect with other builders. Share your knowledge, ask questions, and learn from the experiences of others. Your network and reputation are your greatest assets in this space. Building trust and credibility within the community will open doors to new opportunities. Persistence is key. The world of blockchain is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is essential. Embrace challenges as opportunities. Every obstacle you overcome is a chance to learn and grow, expanding your skill set and deepening your understanding. The tools and resources are out there, readily available to help you on your journey. And remember, the community is ready to help, offering guidance, support, and mentorship along the way. The world needs more builders, more innovators, and more passionate individuals to contribute to this open, transparent digital future. Your journey starts with a single line of code, a spark of curiosity, and a willingness to learn. The future isn't something you passively wait for, hoping it will magically appear. It's something you actively create, brick by brick, line of code by line of code. So start building.